everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vickie. Welcome to my daughter's home. For the last few weeks I've been here helping her. She has a broken collarbone, her husband is away for work, and Chad and I are here helping take care of the baby, and he's working remotely. Anyway, I wanted to continue to try to do my videos while I'm here, so I hope you enjoy this segment. I'm doing some meal prepping videos. Today I'm going to be meal prepping some lunches, and these are going to be some healthy lunches that are high in protein and low in calories, and they're going to be delicious. So let me show you what we make today. Okay everyone, I'm still at my daughter's, and I'm doing some meal prep for she and I for our lunches. And she requested some Caesar salads, which we both love. So I'm going to put together some Caesar salads. I got some of these bowls off of Amazon, and you can use them for a lot of things, but we're going to make some Caesar salads. I've got some parts of romaine I'm going to clean and chop up, some Olive Garden croutons, some grated parm, some Panera Caesar salad dressing. She don't really like the dressing on me. And then a rotisserie chicken. And I got all this at Publix. First thing I'm going to do is get my lettuce chopped up and rinsed and cut our chicken up, and then we'll start assembling these. So we're going to put these together. I hope y'all can hear me. The baby's napping. I don't want to wake her up because we can have a hard time getting that girl to rest. She's teething really bad. She's got 4 teeth and she is giving us fits, trying to get more. So I went ahead and cut up our hearts of romaine and rinse them. So we're going to go ahead and put our lettuce in the bottom. Done, I think, enough for 6 salads. I may have more. I don't know. Chad's not a big Caesar salad either, but we can make some more if we need to. Just have to make more. Anyway, I love a Caesar salad. Let me know in the comments, do you all like Caesar salad? And then we're going to take and put some of our chicken right on top. And we can even do one without chicken, because Chad, I don't know, I like mine with chicken, but I'll eat them without too. And then we'll put a little bit of Parmesan cheese shredded on top. There's some more chicken, so I'm going to add that to it too. I kept the wings, the thighs, and the legs for Chad to eat. All right. Take the lids and put on them. Now, I'm not going to add the croutons to them so they don't get soggy. We've got croutons here. I'll show you when I put mine together to eat. I'm going to put mine together and eat it. It's going to be so good. So I'm going to take one here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to eat it. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to use my Panera Caesar salad dressing. This smells really good. Olive Garden, roll it on my cookie and put it in there. And then I'm gonna and our salad's ready to eat. Okay, I've got my salad out for lunch. It's got my romaine lettuce, my chicken, rotisserie, crouton, Caesar dressing, and Parmesan cheese. And that's what I'm going to have for lunch. Bon appetit. This really helps to have something ready so that I don't make a bad choice. It's so good. These salads turned out so good, and me and my daughter enjoyed them for the week for lunch, and we used one for dinner one night, and it was really delicious. Everything turned out good. We had them prepared and in the fridge when we were ready to eat. We didn't have to think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up or a like. It really helps my channel out. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your comments, your shares, and your likes. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube community. I really enjoy doing these videos, and I want to bring you into my home and into my life and share some of the things that I'm doing. I've done really well this last over a year. I've lost 50 pounds, eating healthy, done it all naturally, eating healthy, exercising by walking, and I'm feeling great. So I hope you come along with me and see what I've been doing to make these changes in my life to have a healthier, better me.